Founded in 2012, Guangzhou Sipuxin Light Industry Machinery Company Limited brings over a decade of expertise in intelligent production equipment for daily chemical, pharmaceutical, and food industries. We offer customized closed-loop manufacturing solutions, not merely standard machinery. We operate two standardized manufacturing bases. The 8,500 square meter Guangzhou base integrates R&D precision manufacturing, exhibition, logistics, and technical services. The Yangzhou base covers 15,556 square meter, with construction area exceeding 40,000 square meter. Unified standards and large-scale in-house production ensure stable lead times and delivery for customized full factory orders worldwide. Unlike peers that outsource core components, Sipuxin implements 100% in-house, closed-loop manufacturing. This prevents dimensional errors, poor fitting, and delivery delays, enabling precision control from raw materials to finished goods. With 40 CNC centers, laser cutting, robotic welding, and dust-free polishing workshops, we achieve micron-level accuracy and industry-leading emulsification. All processes support full data traceability with multi-stage closed-loop inspection. Our products hold CE, BV, TUV, and SGS certifications, meeting top international export standards. Our engineering team delivers customized factory layouts via 3D dynamic simulation. Our range includes emulsifiers, reactors, water treatment systems, and fully automatic packaging lines for diverse daily chemical, pharmaceutical, and food products. We provide full lifecycle services, layout planning, GMP cleanroom construction, formula consultation, global installation, operator training, and lifelong technical support. Premium quality, optimized efficiency, and reliable after-sales make Sipuxin your trusted long-term strategic partner.